Red is the color of apple so sweet, juicy and tasty, a perfect treat. Red is the fire trucks zooming by with lights that sparkle and sirens that fly. Pink is the candy so fluffy and fun, melting like magic under the sun. Pink are the flowers in gardens that grow with petals so soft and a warm rosy glow. Yellow's the sun in the sky so high, waving hello from way up in the sky. Yellow are ducklings that splash and play, quacking and waddling all through the day. Green is the grass where we run and play, green are the trees that dance all day. Green is a frog who jumps with glee, hopping so high by the big green tree. Orange are pumpkins round and wide, we carve them with smiles and light them inside. Orange is a tiger strong and bold, with stripes so bright and a heart of gold. Blue is the ocean so deep and wide, where gentle blue whales swim and glide. Blue is the sky on a bright clear day, with clouds that slowly float away.